Okay, welcome students. I am here today to show you how to fix some saving issues because recently we've been having issues. I think it has to do with some of our filter system in Shawnee Mission. So these are some things that might help you. All right. So the first thing is you might notice you go to save something, and let's try to do that right now, and it just won't let you do that. All right. In this case, there we go. Um, so I'm going to call this example. Alrighty, and it looks like it is going to let me save. What you'll see sometimes is in the middle of the screen, it will say saving 0 of 1 design. And then it actually will not, in fact, save your work. At least it gives you a warning before you try to close out. So you should be able to know what's going on before you just close Fusion. But I'm going to click save for now. What I would do in that situation is I would actually cancel my saving. And first thing I do is actually click this home over here, the little house, go back to the biggest umbrella that you're in. If we think of the organization of Fusion 360 as a series of smaller and smaller umbrellas, and the biggest one you're in is going to be what we call the team level, Fusion 360 at SM North. You want to see all projects. Sometimes this alone will cause it to get back to where it should be. You may need to just click refresh, and sometimes that will fix it. All right. If it does work and it reconnects, you should see your project pop up over here. You should be able to click inside it and see all of your folders you've already created. At that point, you can just click save and you should be golden. Okay. But let's imagine that is not happening. All right. So it's not letting you connect even when you try that method. Here's my second method that I would use. In this case, we're going to give it a name, and then actually we're going to export it. All right, so go to File. Okay, we got it not responding. There we go. Click Export. Give it the name you want. All right, and you want to leave it as this file type. And then you're going to click these 3 dots over here. So I'm clicking those. What should happen is a window will pop up showing all the places on the computer you could save this. And in this case, what I would tell you to do is probably save it to your downloads. Now my computer's goofy and it won't let me do that, so I'll do the desktop. Desktop would work for you as well. All right, so I will just click save there and then export. So now what you can do is, if it's still not connecting, we could go to the browser. So let me go to my browser here, right here. And there is this link, smsd82.autodesk360.com. So if you go to that, that is the browser side of our team on Fusion. All right. And it'll make you sign in. Hopefully you've got all your stuff, memorized or saved to your Google account. And then on here, you should be able to find your project on this side of things. All right, so let's say I needed to save it to here. Okay, that's not one of my projects. Let's say, goodness gracious, I need to save it to, I was hoping to find my own thing here. To here, and what I can do now is I can upload. All right, once I get to the folder, the project, and then the folder that I want, I click upload, and it'll give me the option to find that file that I already exported to my computer and then upload it here. And then this way, you should have it in your storage. So later, when Fusion 360 finally does connect, or you try to access it on a different device, you could get it at that time. There's one more method I want to show you in my brief time left, and that is on this other tab here. So this is the third way to kind of help with these issues. And it seems the computer is messing up here. Let me click cancel on that. Very quickly, this is the last method. Go to fusion.online.autodesk.com, and that will be a browser version of Fusion 360 that you can use.